Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the NEXPOW Handheld Electric Massage Gun. It is a deep tissue percussion massager for deep relaxation of your muscles. It is cordless and it is for muscle massage, yeah, with six massage heads, super quad brushless motor, 30 speed steps, settings, and it is a really good, awesome device. What is really reliable and made out of good materials. I like it. The massage gun is used to relieve muscle stiffness and soreness, promote blood and lymph circulation, accelerate recovery after exercise and sports injuries. It is improve overall health of the body's soft tissues and prevent inflammation caused by adhesion between the fascia and the muscles. It is light and it has a low noise. It's really excellent struction with a high torque brushless engine. This gives an accurate percussion. Multi-acoustic materials absorb vibrations. Aerodynamic noise reduction is on board too, with the brushless engine, double bearing rotation structure. It's blooming strong power while significantly reducing noise. It provides us a wonderful massage atmosphere. You have 30 G speed regulation. The fascia massager with speeds from 1,400 rounds per minute up to 3,200 rounds per minute. Adjusts the frequencies according to the purpose. For warming up, strong relief, injured muscles, muscle pain, and activation. Tightness relief increase to higher speed for larger and stronger muscle groups. It allows us to get the appropriate amount of pressure to put our body to a most comfort at all times. You have six massage heads, and they are ill for different spots, for different part of your muscle, of your body. It is really easy to use because you have an easy to load setup. It means in it there is an really large cordless lithium-ion battery. This is built in. The only thing you have to do is put it on your power supply by using the included AC adapter, and it is really fast reloading your battery. I think after 8 hours or 6 hours, it will works a long time. 6 up to 8 hours, I think it's possible to use that, because you will not use it 6 hours in one step, of course. And it has an automatic power saving shut off option. After 30 minutes of using, it will shut down automatically. The engine is 24 voltage and it is brushless designed, so it is really strong and quiet. It's quiet because of the brushless function. This is the state of the art engine function today. Nice and easy. You can reload it in 6 hours and work with it up to, not 8, it's too less. I think it's over 15 hours each loading, no problem. Yeah, you have 30 speed steps, different hats for different muscles, for different uses, and the massage pistol has a strong and powerful 24-volt motor with good torque, and there is a range of 48 millimeter to 10 millimeter, and this is a nice and easy using device. Yeah. The first hat here in the set is the Spherical Hat. It is for large muscle groups because it looks like a ball, and this will get the torque in a big and large area. Let's go to the next adapter. It is a flat hat. It is like a mushroom hat. It is for back muscle groups or other areas where you're going to use it for a bigger area, because you can slide easily over your muscle areas with that flat hat. So the next hat is the bullet hat. This is to aim precisely for deep tissue and trigger points. This is if you will have trigger points to massage or to enable that spots on your skin. Use the bullet hat or U-shaped hat. This is for your neck and spine, because there are two spots which are going to trigger your points on your skins easily. It's like the bullet head, but twice powerful. This is special for neck and spine. Yeah, massage baby. Next thing is the D-shaped hat. This is really massive hat, and it is a flat hat in D-shaped design. This is, for example, for abdominal muscles and other areas too, of course, which you need a flat and precise muscle pointing device spot for your massage. This is a D-shaped hat. Next hat is the flat pimples hat. You can see it looks the same like the flat hat, but the flat hat has a smooth surface, and the pimple flat hat, this has so nice pimples on it, 2, 4, 6, 7 of them, and this will get more muscle or contractions by using this pimple flat hat. So that it is all hats, and now I will show you can remove the battery. We are going to remove the battery by pushing the push button while you are pulling out the battery. Easy, as you can see. To reload the battery, I think it's 8 hours full recharged, and then you can up to 18 hours of using. Get it back in position and switch the button to on, and on the screen you have there the possibilities of programming. You can use you have an on and off switch, and then you have plus and minus for the level, for the speed level. Then you have on the left upper side the LED speed level indication, and on the right side, on the right upper side, you can see the power indication. How much power is in your battery still there. The weight is about 500 gram each part here, and you can see there are two parts. That means the bottom part is 500 grams, the upper part is 500 grams. Overall is round about 1 kilogram of weight. Is this nice and easy to use massage pistol? This is really easy to use and good for your health to use NEXPOW handheld electric massage gun. It is for deep tissue percussion massager for deep relaxation. It's awesome, I swear. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Oh, massage, baby. Here you can see it's so awesome. Massage, massage, massage. Soon, soon.